What is up, guys, and welcome back to another episode of Meal Prep Sundays on a Thursday. It's the Cromey Zone! That's right. Today, guys, we're going to be talking about our evening meal prep. So mainly I'm going to be talking about my lunches, my snacks, and my dinners. We're going to be making 2 meals today, and then I'm going to go over some snacks that I usually have, which are entirely optional unless you're bulking. If you are bulking, you are going to want to get in as many calories as necessary in order to build those sweet, sweet gains. If you haven't checked out the last video and you're wondering how you too can make some early morning meal preps and start off your day the right way, then you can do so in the description, or I'll leave a link to it at the end of this video so you can check it out afterwards. Next up, guys, we're going to be using Tupperwares and we're going to be using our sandwich bags, which I forgot to take out right now. Boom! So guys, the first thing we're going to be making is my lunches. So my lunches are pretty consistent. The ingredients we are going to use for this is going to be honey and spelt bread or a whole grain seeded wrap. We are also going to use hummus. I use full fat. If you're looking for less calories, feel free to use reduced fat. Pine nuts, spinach, some falafel. In this case, we're using Mediterranean falafel, and cheese. If you prefer, again, if you are trying to lose weight for your meal prep, you can use a lighter cheese, or better yet, cut the cheese altogether because it is quite calorific. And the melon that we prepped from the last video. Make sure you check that out after this one if you like. Sweet, and that is how we make our lunches. So they are quite delicious as they are. However, if you would like to sweeten it up a little bit, you can use some balsamic vinegar, and if you would like to sour it up a little bit, you can use a little bit of chili oil. Also, guys, remember, if you are thinking of buying these Tupperwares, they are really handy. You can use the link down in the description. That is our Amazon affiliate link. That'll help us out with the channel as well as get you guys your Tupperware. Rule number 1 about meal prep. You don't talk about meal... No, wait. Oh yeah, don't eat when you're meal prepping. Makes you lazy. So when you're looking for those additional calories and you're thinking, where should I get these and where is convenient and quick for me to get these? I actually use My Protein. So usually they have their stuff on sale, so it can be really good value. I use their protein bars and like protein brownies and stuff like that. They're good sort of between lunch and dinner. On top of that, I might also have those pack of nuts that you've seen us make in the last video. And then sort of towards the evening, I might go for something like a Impact Diet Whey, which has a bunch of other nutrients. It's kind of like a small meal replacement. Or if I feel I've eaten enough nutrients that day, I'll go for something like the just regular Impact Whey Isolate. I like the milk tea one, that's really nice. They come in around, if you're using them with milk and stuff like that, you're going to get like 300 to 500 calories per snack, which is really useful if you're trying to get those calories in, especially during the evening time, because it can be quite hard if you're working or if you're tired or if you're working out. So yeah, that's one thing to mention. And now we're gonna move on to my dinner. So this is one of my favorite meals to have because it really feels super nutritious and super fibrous. So let's get into the ingredients for this chickpea tikka masala. You can use any curry you like. Make sure you're going to choose something that has a little bit less sugar. Don't use any really sugary sauces. Then we're going to have, of course, the chickpeas. You can use any kind of beans or peas that you like. Then we're going to have a collection of fruits. I use my frozen fruits. I got a ton of them here. I got sweet corn, onions, peas, green peas, and I've got broccoli. So for my frozen veg gang out there, looking at you on Athletic Fitness, it's quite a nice meal if you want to try this one out as well. And then lastly, what we're gonna have is I use long grain rice. You can use your whole grain rice, you can use your basmati rice, whatever kind of rice you feel is good, but try and stay away from the pure white rice because it does seem to be a bit more processed, less fibrous, and have a little bit less nutrients in it. So something round, less processed will be perfect. Let me show you how I make this bad boy. So then guys, that is your chickpea tikka masala ready and made there. So all you have to do then when you want to eat that is you just have to throw that into a pot, just literally just heat it up, and then same thing, you just boil the rice and then you have a full delicious meal there, pretty much prepared in about 15 minutes. And it's really good. So now something I will point out that I learned the hard way is only put the sauce in the bag if you're going to be eating it within 2 days. It does tend to go off if you're not eating it within 2 days, but if you do want to make those extra packs of your mixed vegetables, basically what you can do, or what I do, is you put them all in the bag and then you just freeze them without any sauce in them, and then that you can basically have them for almost as long as you want to, and then you just throw in the sauce whenever you're going to cook it, and it's as easy as that, guys. It's the same amount of time. You can see in this one, instead of chickpeas, I've used red kidney beans. It's good to get that kind of variety into your diet. You know, maybe I might use tikka masala, maybe I might use korma. Who knows? The world is full of possibilities. Also, again, guys, those sandwich bags are down in the description if you want to grab those as well. Yeah, guys, that is it for today, and that is it for this week. I hope you enjoyed these meal preps. I forgot to mention in the other video that yes, these are all vegetarian options. I'm going to change that in the description as well, the last video. And guys, thank you so much for watching these videos, and thank you so much for commenting, thank you so much for liking, and thank you again so much for sharing. It actually does mean so much to me, and we really appreciate it. The channel has just hit 150 subscribers, which that might not sound like a lot, but to me that is quite a cool milestone. It seems to be gradually growing every time I post a video, so that's really encouraging me to just keep posting these videos every week, or in this case, twice a week. And have a great night, great day, whatever or whenever you are. And always remember, stay fit, stay happy, stay healthy.